Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to upload TikTok videos from a computer. If you're using your computer and you want to upload your TikTok video from your computer, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to open your TikTok app if you have installed, or you can also use your browser. Open your browser and here you have to simply search for TikTok. Once you have searched, you can directly go to website or you can go to website from searching. So just wait for it until the website load. So after that, you might see this type interface on your computer. You just have to tap on this upload option to upload a video. You can also tap on profile to go to your profile page here and just tap on this upload option to upload a video. Now you can browse any video from here, or you can also use drag option to drag any video from your file explorer. Here just tap on this select video option and browse any video from your PC, or you can also open your file explorer and here just select the video which you want to share. So for example, I'm going to share any video from here. For example, I'm going to share this one. Just press and hold on it and then move it to your browser and then drop this here. Once you have done, it will upload your file or your video. Now just tap on turn on, then tap on got it. You can edit your video from this section. And you can also edit cover. If you want to add a cover to your videos, you can also do that. Now here, if you want to schedule the video, you can also schedule. You can select privacy from here. If you want to share this video with everyone, you can select everyone or friends or only for you. Once you have done, just tap on this post option and it will be shared as your own post. You can also add description and highlights to your video if you want to add, but I'm not going to add anything else. Just tap on this post option and then tap on post now and your video will be posted to your profile. So in this way, you can easily post any video or share any video to your TikTok using your PC. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.